They dress my name in velvet rules, taught my spine to never bend. Every room already chosen before I learn how to speak or stand. Family portraits watch me breathe, painted smiles, permanent eyes. They don't age, they don't forgive, they just measure how I rise. Gold doesn't shine in waves, and it never asks if you're ready. I didn't build this height, I was placed here like a fault. If power's just repetition, then I'm breaking. I'm not holy, I'm not pure, I'm the error they regret. If history wants a ruler, it can choke on what I said. Etiquette carved in the bone, every gesture memorized. Hands that wave like loaded weapons, smiles rehearsed 1,000 times. They call it duty, call it blood, call it something you can't flee. But inheritance is violence when the past decides you're me. They say silence keeps control, but silence rots the love. I didn't build this high, I was placed here like a boat. If power's just repetition, then I'm breaking what I'm taught. I'm not holy, I'm not pure, I'm the error they regret. If history wants a ruler, it can choke on what I said. No divine design, just names surviving time. If I'm a symbol, let me bleed. Let them see the human side. Burn the script, change the role. I won't echo what I'm told. I didn't build this high, but I'll choose how it collapses. Let the title lose its teeth, let the walls admit their cracks. I won't guard